morning everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to Murudeshwar via Gokarna, which is in Karnataka. So to reach Gokarna we opted a cab from Karwar, which is present right on the Karnataka-Goa border. Reaching Karwar through cabs was pricey, but the trains were reasonable and also matched our desired timings. So now we are going to the Madgaon railway station, which is around 20 minutes from here. And if you want to know the other places that we visited in this trip, please do check out the description below or the channel page. So here we are at the Madgaon railway station. So now we'll be boarding the train. The most economical and fastest way to reach Gokarna from Goa is by trains. Buses are limited and also take a lot of time to travel to Gokarna. However, the issue with the train is that there is only one direct train operating between Madgaon and Gokarna. It departs at 1:50 pm and reaches by 5:30 pm. Consequently, there isn't much that can be done on that day, and an overnight stay is necessary to cover Gokarna sightseeing the next day. Since we also had plans to travel to Murudeshwar on the same day after visiting Gokarna, we opted for the Mangalore Junction Superfast Express. This train starts from Madgaon around 7:30 am and reaches Karwar, which is on the Karnataka-Goa border, by 9 am. And after that we will be reaching Karwar. From Karwar we'll take a cab to Gokarna, see some beautiful sightseeings and then proceed towards Murudeshwar. Finally, we are here at the Mahabaleshwar temple in Gokarna, which is a very significant and a very popular pilgrimage site facing the Arabian Sea, and it also houses the Pranalinga or the Shivalinga. Note that men should only wear lungis for the entry, respecting the temple's dress code. So finally, after having our darshan of 1.5 hours, we are here at a spice shop right in front of the temple, and here you find many spices. And if you didn't know that, Gokarna and Goa are really famous for cultivating spices like black pepper, cinnamon and cloves as well. It's afternoon time for lunch, but before that we'll explore the beach. Till then you can enjoy the cinematic view of the Gokarna beach. So here we are for our lunch. This is kind of a dhaba that was just adjacent to the beach. So let's try out something very classical and traditional of this place. So after having our lunch, now we are heading towards the Om beach, one of the famous beach in Gokarna, and that is around 7 kilometers from here. Here we reached the Om beach and now we are moving down. There are around 100 steps and the view is just beautiful. Now it's time to get ready for the beautiful cinematic shot of the Om beach. Now it's already 4 o'clock and now we have to move towards Murudeshwar, which is around 82 kilometers from here, and it will take 2 hours. But in the middle we are also planning to have a cinematic or a scenic boat ride in the Sharavati Backwaters. You can experience a boat ride from Gokarna to Murudeshwar on the scenic Sharavati Backwaters, which is around 56 kilometers from the temple. Private boats for an hour cost around 1,500 rupees for 1 hour, and shared options are also available. Just sit back and enjoy the cinematic view of the backwaters. Time for an aerial view. The boat ride was fantastic. Now it's time to cover more 26 kilometers to Murudeshwar. So here we are in the Murudeshwar town. You can see the huge Gopuram and also the Shiva statue beside it. Now the time is 7 o'clock and we have to go to our accommodation, which is the RNS guest house, and after that I'll show you the room tour also. Here we are in the guest house, and luckily we found the room that has the Gopuram view, the Shiva statue view, and also the lighting is also going on. It looks really beautiful in the night time especially. Now let me show you the room. So as the door opens, you find a bed, a TV, and let me tell you that this is an AC room. And on the left you find this hanger. Then you find a table with electric kettle and tea and coffee sachets. Next, as you go forward, you find the washroom. Next, you find the bed, a huge bed, and you also get intercom service here. And as you keep moving in, you find the wardrobe and an empty space here with 2 chairs and also a large window. This large window gives a view of the beach. It looks even better in the morning. And the building is RNS Residency. We are currently in RNS Guest House. And this is the washroom. It is pretty neat and clean. And now it's time to explore the Murudeshwar town. So now we're going to visit the Lord Shiva statue, and as you can see, the street is completely lighted, and the weather is also really cool. Now after visiting the statue, we'll be going towards the main town. You also find a variety of options for food and shopping as well just outside the temple. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Meet me in the next video, which is about Udupi and Chikmagaluru from Murudeshwar. So till then, bye bye, tata, see you soon.